let's jump into our ForgeBox and VS Code modules of the week. As you might have guessed, they're going to be about boxlang. So the first one is the commandbox-boxlang module. So this is a module to help get boxlang running in commandbox 6. Mostly working around some things that haven't been patched in commandbox yet. So you install,
but they will be.
They will be. You install commandbox-boxlang, and then when you server start, you can pass in a cfengine of boxlang to get that going. Just remember to also set your Java version. We are targeting the latest LTS, so Java OpenJDK 21, and you can pass it in as your Java version. And then you're up and running with boxlang. So what that does for you is it's letting you specify like BXM files and BXS files, which is the boxlang markup and boxlang script. Without that, you could still use it in ColdFusion parsing, right, with CFMs and well, there's no CFSs.
CFCs.
But the web server wouldn't serve any BXM files. So that's not what we want. We want this to work with boxlang. So that's why you need this module.
To reiterate, it does require commandbox 6.
Yes.
So please update, because lots of cool things in commandbox 6 anyway. But this is just yet another one of them.
That was our ForgeBox module of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.